Point 3, is the measure necessary for achieving the aim? Answer, clearly not. You do not, is it necessary, is excluding non-heterosexuals from the idea of marriage necessary to strengthen the idea of marriage? Answer, no. What you have to do is ban divorce. We talk of personal law. After all, Hindu law recognizes that a marriage is a sacrament, insoluble, indissoluble. Yet, divorce is permitted. So, if you really want to strengthen the act of the institution of marriage, then you have to stop divorce. More importantly, Millets, if non-heterosexuals are excluded from getting married, what happens typically in our society? Lavender marriages. It is very common for a gay man to marry a woman or a lesbian to be trapped in an unhappy relationship with a man. Two lives are ruined. Is that how we are strengthening the institution of marriage? Because that would be permitted as per the union's argument. As long as you are of the opposite biological sex, you can get married, and that will somehow promote the idea of marriage. And Millets, I would say there's nothing more detrimental to the idea of marriage than a gay man marrying and cheating maybe a woman whose sexuality is not revealed to it's rather surreptitious. Point 4, is the measure adequately balanced for the right of the individual? Well, this is really a question of proportionality and balancing analysis. It's rather Kantian in its idea as to the effect it has on one person. I was reminded of that trolley problem we all studied in university, saying that it may be that one person's right is sufficient to trump the entire community's rights. And here, please analyze the impact on me for not being able to get married vis-a-vis what? How is the right of any heterosexual person to get married getting affected by my getting married? That I'll just leave. And I had my note, has it? I'll say nothing more. The economic impact of failing to recognize marriage. Has it? There's one study which shows, and it's there in my note, on page 10 of my note. So almost 1.7% of the GDP of this country is affected by failing to recognize LGBT relationships and giving equality to LGBT relationships. There is a lower lessening of productivity, and most importantly, Millets, in the matter that I'm appearing in, a large number of people, at least 5 of these petitioners plus more, have indulged in what is called the gay brain drain. If you do not allow marriage in this country and people want to get married, have children, have other rights, the best minds, I'm not saying heterosexuals are the best minds, but they're not bad minds either. If they all leave this country to secure freedom outside this country, I do not see how public interest is furthered. That will
Thank you, Mr.
Thank you, Mr. Kupar.
Cooper.
Thank you.